This Valentine Day, let's prepare pink rose Wale Momos. Take all-purpose flour, pinch of salt and beetroot juice, mix it well and make a dough. Add little oil in a pan, then add potato, carrot, tomato, capsicum, onion and pinch of salt. Cook it for some time. Then add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and mix it well. Then make small flat balls out of dough and place 3 flat balls. Place momos filling. And then close it. And roll it. Then steam it. Enjoy pink rose Wale momos with tomato sauce and mayonnaise. Like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.